Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about Nancy Wethington's latest project, the Gingham Foundry book box that is shipping now for our new products for this week. This little guy is designed with a graphic 45 book box, and she has added the My Mind's Eye Gingham Foundry collection and this perfect little hinge. So before I show you the completed project, we'll just show you where she got started. She got started with the graphic 45 book box. It is a cardboard box, or a chipboard box rather, that is included with some tags. There is a ring that is also shipped with this album, but somehow I have misplaced mine. She has added a collection kit from My Mind's Eye that includes stickers, some basil cardstock, the chipboard by My Mind's Eye, the Gingham Foundry, and then also the mixed bag as embellishments. The only other thing that she added was this nice little hinge, and it is just perfect to keep your book box closed. The other thing that I didn't have in stock, but after seeing the product in person, I had to order some from the shop, and I have several colors coming in. And that is this beautiful, dazzling metallic. Nancy used Emperor's Gold with this project, and it just really, really makes this project pop. So if you've ordered this and would like to add on the Emperor's Gold, give us an email or add it to your cart as you place an order. But it is just beautiful. And we have it coming in a couple of colors if you need to use it for a different project. So here is the inside of this cute little box. It is, the colors of this project is beautiful. Nancy has used her crocodile there to give you a perfect map for a picture. Used one of the tags as the pocket, which is genius. Now then, if you're looking at this box and you're saying, oh my gosh, that's not where that box started, Nancy's tutorial goes over this in perfect detail to get your folds right, the pockets, the pocket pages. There are a ton of little pockets and places to add things, and journaling and tags, and I mean, it just goes on and on. She has used, again, the tag that's included with the book to make a pocket. Every detail is just beautiful. So this little guy slips out. Excuse me while I fumble. Also, she has tags in here, and then she used that very last tag there on the back to hinge that last page. So if you're wondering how to make this book box into this kit or into this project, you can buy the tutorial separate and use any paper pack that you have in your possession now, or you can buy the full kit. We do have some extra graphic 45 book boxes online if you want to do it separately. And then also we do have a couple of hinges extra. So that's all she's done, is place this beautiful little hinge right here and added some brads to keep it closed. So this item is up now in the store. There is availability now, but we don't have a lot of them. So check it out.